Ayubawan, Sri Lanka. Hello, hello, it's Megan Boney. In today's vlog, we're hopping on the famous train from Colombo to Ella, Sri Lanka. Kaya tara, rampa tayo. Good morning, Colombo! I woke up early because I booked the earliest train to Ella. I made sure to book in advance to secure the earliest train since the travel time takes at least 8 hours or more. I booked my train from Colombo to Ella via Sri Lanka Railway. I'll drop the link in the description, and it cost me just 1,365 Sri Lankan rupees, which is around $4.57 USD. So ayan mga misis, nandito na ako sa train station ng Ella. And 5:40 na. So yung pinaka-early na book ko is 5:55. Kaya papasok na tayo. Baka malate pa tayo sa train. So ayan, pumunta ako sa counter 17. Pero sabi, hindi ko na kailangan ng physical ticket. So yung ticket sa email ko, yun na yun. Tara na, baka malate pa tayo. Ayan, papunta na tayo sa train. First class to. Parang second class lang yun sa akin eh. Second class reserve. So ayan, kagigising ko mga misis. And andun ako sa train. Medyo challenging siyang hanapin. Pero mabait naman yung mga lokal. Ituro nila. And may number kasi yung pakita ko. So yung ticket ko online, may number 32. Kaya dito ako. Ayan yung mga numbers mga misis. Makikita nyo sa ticket. So online ako nag-book and 32 yun sa akin. Wala naman akong katabi. Kaya lucky tayo. Tapos ayan, ito na yung parang famous na train eme. So di ko alam kung magpapabideo na lang ako mamaya. Train nila. Tapos yan, CR the living. So ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa Kandy station na, and sumasakay ng ibang mga turista kasi puntahan rin tong Kandy ng mga backpacking, pero hindi ko na siya mapupuntahan kasi limited time. Ayan, and pupunta rin ata sila ng Ella. I am here at the captain's area charging my phone, and I couldn't help but notice how friendly the locals are. They'll even share their food with you. One thing I was worried about was who would take my video of the famous train ride, but the captain kindly offered to help. He only asked for 500 Sri Lankan rupees, which is really affordable in Philippine peso. I was so happy to have a video of the famous train ride to Ella, which is a special part of my birthday trip in October 2024. The train ride actually took 10 hours, but I enjoyed every minute of it. I'd recommend stopping in Kandy or somewhere in between before heading to Ella, as it's quite a long journey. But since my goal was to visit Ella, I didn't mind the long ride at all. Very fun. Super fun siya mga misis. Sa mga misis, dito na ako sa Ella. And ito na yung pupuntahan ko dito sa Sri Lanka after 10 hours train ride. So ayan, palabas na ako ng Ella. Finally, 10 hours. Nakakatuwa din kasi first time ko sa country, kaya hindi rin ako napagod. Ang ganda ng view, very nature. Pero syempre, pagpabalik na, parang ang haba ng 10 hours ha. Exit. Yan mga misis, naglalaro yung mga local. Baseball ata. So ayan, 12 minutes walk lang yung accommodation ko, Madbangki, Ella, from train station. Malapit lang pala. Ang problema lang dito is yung travel time. Kapag galing ka ng Colombo, kapag marami kayong time, wag muna kayong mag-Ella kasi layo-layo. So dapat hati-hatiin nyo. Pwede muna kayong mag-stop sa Kenty bago kayo mag-Ella kasi 10 hours nakakapagod. Tsaka yung iba ginagawa nila, nag-i-stop-stop sila in between. Kasi nakita ko mo yung mga turistang sumakay from between na mga town na hindi ko naman siya na-research or wala sa mga nasa list sa online. So ayun, malapit na ako mga misis sa aking accommodation. And mura lang yung train, pamasahe sa train. Tapos nagbook ako online. Nakalimutan ko yung exact amount, pero mura lang siya, super mura. Hindi ka, wala pa atang 300 pesos eh. Tapos nagpa-picture ako sa captain ng train, yung para siyang captain ba tawag doon? Taga-picture siya doon, taga-video. Binigyan ko siya ng 500 Sri Lankan rupees. So, para siyang mura lang yung wala pang 100 pesos. Sige mga misis. So, yun mga misis, I've got more adventure to share from my Sri Lanka trip. Thank you so much for watching. Maraming salamat po and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye for now.